Hey, good morning, VEers. Today we're going to be talking about robo investing. Robo investing, what the heck is that? Well, it's basically robots choosing your investments. Would you be comfortable with that? That's what you're going to answer here in the first question. Would you be comfortable using a robot to make your financial decisions? Then you're going to watch a short video and answer some questions based off that video. I guess these Robo Advisors are becoming more and more popular, especially with the young kids. Sometimes it takes a new generation to make changes. I honestly feel like these people that get paid to make the investments, they are so overpaid. It's just ridiculous. So if you can save some money using these robo investors, may not be a bad way to go. That's why I love the index funds, because you don't have to pay these ridiculous fees to these managers who make millions and millions of dollars. The S&P 500 index fund does better than what these professionals try to do. So keep that in mind, ladies and gents, as you're working through these. So we have videos for each of these. And in the second part, you're going to be looking at the pluses and minuses. What are the advantages of these robo investors? Why would you want to use a robot? And what are the disadvantages? Why? I mean, you have to look at everything from a rational point of view. Advantages, disadvantages, and then figure out which one works best for you. I do it all the time, to be honest, you guys. I make a list of pros and cons, and then seeing it on paper, it helps me make decisions. So that's how I do it. All right, ladies and gents. So after you have watched your videos and answered your questions about a Robo Advisors, go ahead and upload your file through Canvas. Hope you guys are having a great Tuesday, ladies and gents.